Good morning, actually, good afternoon, guys. If you're new to my channel, like and subscribe, please. Ring the bell every time a new video drop, you guys can see it. Shout out to Sauce God XX22 to follow up to my channel. Big respect for you, a big dog. I follow you right back, baby boy. This is one thing a lot of YouTubers don't do. We're all here trying to make it. We're all here trying to do something different. If I follow you, you have a channel, it's best to follow me back. That's how it should be. I respect that shit, man. Big thank you to your big dog, Sauce God X22. All my niggas gonna follow you, bro. All my partners gonna be following your shit. I guarantee you that, my G. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you, bro. Yo, that shit made me happy when I saw you have a YouTube channel and you follow me. Yes, that shit made me happy, man. I appreciate it, bro. You know what I'm saying? For everybody that's up today, you're alive, you're blessed. Thank God, man, for a wonderful day. It's Sunday. You know, Sunday is usually a family day. As you can see, man, my shit looking fucked up. But I'm about to head to Fort Lauderdale, which is about 20 minutes from my house. I'm gonna get me the craziest shit pop ever. That spot will fuck your shit up. I mean, not the wrong way, the good way. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, that spot is good. So when I got there, I'm gonna drop another video about the spot. I'm gonna tell you where the spot at. It's on Oakland Park. Support your Haitian business, man. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people doesn't do that. Support one another. Chinese people support the Chinese. They hire them all the time. You know what I'm saying? Spanish people, they even worse. You know what I'm saying? They always look out for their own. Jamaican, Wagwan. Yo, miss you over there, so Bambo. We're not Jamaican though, you know what I'm saying? But I have a lot of friends that's Jamaican. Their business, everybody's in there is Jamaican. Respect to you guys. Even though it's not right, you could always hire another nation. But I respect that shit though, you know what I'm saying? I respect that shit. Always support one another. Always support one another, you know what I mean? YouTubers, follow one another, man. We all need to get that guap. We all need trying to make it, you know what I'm saying? Big shout out to everybody that's following me, all my fans, my subscribers. I'm gonna be dropping some crazy shit tonight. Stay tuned, baby. Much love to you all. One love.